Here's everything that matters in AI today, June 24th, 2026. Big moves, new tools, and the updates you actually need to know. Let's get into it. Anthropic has launched a beta version of its Claude Tag feature, directly integrating their AI agent into shared Slack channels for enterprise and team users. Our verdict? This is a genuine game changer, not just noise. The hidden implication is a massive shift towards ambient, agentic AI. No longer a separate tool, Claude becomes a real-time team member, impacting decision-making cycles and information flow. Everyone gains from faster insights, but those who fail to adapt to collaborative AI workflows will lose efficiency. For your workflow, this means immediately experimenting with Claude in your team channels to streamline information retrieval and collaborative drafting. This pushes the democratization of AI further, embedding sophisticated models directly into existing enterprise communication, making AI an active participant rather than a passive tool. Generative AI coding tools have evolved far beyond simple autocomplete, now encompassing full application generation and multi-agent build pipelines. Our verdict? This isn't just hype, it's a foundational shift in software development. The hidden implication is a potential skill gap for developers who only focus on syntax, as the emphasis moves to architectural design and prompt engineering. Developers gain massive productivity, while those resistant to AI-assisted coding risk obsolescence. For your workflow, this means immediately integrating advanced AI coding assistants into your IDE and exploring multi-agent development frameworks. This directly impacts the open source versus closed race, as proprietary AI tools compete with open source models trained on vast code bases, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automated software creation. Figma has unveiled new AI-powered motion graphics and shader tools, aiming to automate tedious design tasks and optimize its canvas for full-stack development. Our verdict? This is a significant evolution, not just a feature update. The hidden implication is the further blurring of lines between design and development, empowering designers with capabilities traditionally reserved for engineers. Designers gain incredible efficiency and creative freedom, while developers might find their roles shifting towards integrating complex AI-generated assets. For your workflow, immediately explore these new tools to prototype dynamic interfaces and generate complex visual effects with unprecedented speed. This accelerates the democratization of AI in creative fields, putting powerful computational design tools into the hands of a broader user base. Openai has revealed Jalapeño, its first custom AI processor chip developed in partnership with Broadcom, designed specifically for powering current and future large language models. Our verdict? This is a genuine game changer, a strategic move with profound implications. The hidden implication is OpenAI's long-term play for hardware vertical integration, reducing reliance on third-party GPU manufacturers and gaining a competitive edge in cost and performance. OpenAI gains massive control and efficiency, while general-purpose chip manufacturers could face increased competition. For your strategy, understand that the cost efficiency of running LLMs is about to shift dramatically, impacting deployment strategies. This is a critical development in the open source versus closed race, as proprietary hardware could give closed models a significant performance advantage. OpenAI and Broadcom have unveiled Jalapeño, a custom chip built specifically for large language model inference expected to scale by late 2026. Our verdict? This is a strategic power play, not just another hardware announcement. The hidden implication is a push towards specialized silicon for AI, optimizing performance and energy efficiency far beyond general-purpose GPUs. OpenAI gains significant leverage, in controlling its compute infrastructure and costs, potentially putting pressure on cloud providers and existing hardware vendors. For your strategy, anticipate a future where AI models are not just software, but deeply integrated hardware-software stacks. This accelerates the closed-source advantage, as custom hardware can be optimized for proprietary models, potentially creating a performance gap with open-source alternatives. UC San Diego's Dflash replaces autoregressive drafting with a lightweight block diffusion model for speculative decoding, promising up to 15 times higher throughput for LLMs on NVIDIA Blackwell. Our verdict: this is a significant technical leap, a genuine performance accelerator. The hidden implication is a major increase in the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of running large language models, making advanced AI more accessible. End users gain faster responses and organizations can deploy more complex models at lower costs. For your workflow, this means anticipating a future where LLM inference is dramatically cheaper and quicker, enabling more real-time, complex agentic workflows. This directly contributes to the democratization of AI by making powerful models more economical to operate and scale. Openai and Broadcom have introduced Jalapeño, a custom AI chip optimized for LLM inference, aiming to improve performance, efficiency, and scale across AI systems. Our verdict: this is a critical strategic move, not just a technical footnote. The hidden implication is that Openai is investing heavily in vertical integration to control its AI stack from silicon to software, securing its competitive edge. Openai gains significant cost advantages and performance optimization, potentially challenging traditional cloud providers. For your strategy, recognize that hardware specialization will increasingly dictate AI performance and pricing. This intensifies the open source versus closed race, as proprietary hardware can give closed models a distinct advantage in terms of raw efficiency and speed. Mistral AI has released OCR 4, which moves beyond simple text extraction to structured document output with bounding boxes, typed classifications, and confidence scores, supporting 170 languages. Our verdict: this is a game changer for enterprise AI, not just an OCR upgrade. The hidden implication is a massive improvement in data quality for RAG and agentic pipelines, turning unstructured documents into actionable, citation-ready data. Enterprises gain significantly by unlocking previously inaccessible insights from their document archives, while those relying on basic OCR will fall behind. For your workflow, immediately evaluate how Mistral OCR 4 can enhance your RAG systems and agentic workflows, especially for legal, medical, or research applications. This directly empowers agentic workflows by providing high-fidelity, structured input for complex AI reasoning. Facebook is rolling out an AI companion app for creators, currently in limited testing, integrating its recently launched AI Creator Assistant. Our verdict: this is a strategic play for creator loyalty, not just a new app. The hidden implication is Facebook's effort to embed AI directly into the creator workflow, making its platform stickier and potentially increasing content output. Creators gain AI assistance for content generation and management, while Facebook gains deeper integration into their creative process. For your strategy, if you're a creator, explore how this tool can streamline your content creation and engagement on Facebook. This is part of the broader democratization of AI, bringing sophisticated tools to individual content producers, but also strengthens the closed platform ecosystem. Snowflake's CEO found Zhipu AI's Glm-5.2, competitive with Anthropic's Opus 4.7 for coding tasks, at 1/5 the cost despite using twice as many tokens. Our verdict: this is a major market disruptor, not just a benchmark result. The the hidden implication is intense pricing pressure on established AI leaders like Anthropic and Openai. As cost-effective alternatives emerge, users gain significantly from more affordable, high-quality AI, while premium model providers might need to reevaluate their pricing. For your workflow, immediately consider evaluating alternative, cost-effective models like Glm-5.2 for your coding and general AI tasks to optimize spend. This significantly impacts the open source versus closed race, showing that even proprietary models from new players can challenge incumbents on cost and performance, pushing for greater efficiency across the board. That is your AI update for today. Which story surprised you most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this kept you in the loop, subscribe and turn on notifications because I do this every single day. See you tomorrow.